In this video, we are going to learn about variables and assignments. So as you know, in the last videos, I have explained about the variable, and this variable is actually used for holding or storing a value for a certain point of time, and a variable is capable of holding multiple or different values at different points of time. So let's understand it through a program here. Here we have one variable named as a. So we are writing a equals to 10. What does it mean? So on the right hand side, always we mention a value. It can be a number, a character, a string. So what are those things? We will learn them in the data types chapter. So let's understand this statement only. Okay, so the variable a is holding the value of 10. So the variable should be on the left hand side and the value should be on the right hand side. And here this equals to is called as your assignment operator. So assignment operator always assigns the value mentioned in the right hand side to the left hand side variable. That's what it does always. Now we will try to print the value of a. So let's run the program and see. First, for this print statement, print a, it's printing the value of 10. Why? Because current value of a is 10 because of this expression here. Now in the third instruction, what we are writing, we are trying to add 1, a plus 1, that is 1 is to be added to the current value of a, that is 10. So 10 plus 1 becomes 11, and 11 now will be assigned to the value of variable a, that it becomes 11 now. So while you try to print the value of a right now with this instruction, it will print the value of the current value of a, that is 11. So that's what is the meaning of the variables and assignments. Now next come to identifiers. So what are the identifiers? So identifiers are nothing but suppose in this program we are using the variable name as a. So you can also change it to something else. Let's say I will write ADF. So now the variable name is ADF. So while I try to print the value of 10 using the variable name that is ADF, I have to mention ADF. Now again, I have to change the variable's name all the way through the program right now. Okay, so save it and run it. So again, it shows the same thing. So identifier means what rules or guidelines we have to follow while naming our variables. So like variables, there are some other constructs in Python programming. We have reserved words, keywords. So what are these words? So in programming, we need to use certain predefined words which has been already explained before. We cannot change it anyway at any point of time. So those type of words are named as your keywords whose meanings are already been explained, and those are also called as reserved words. So let's see what are the reserved keywords that we are supposed to use in Python. So these are the set of keywords we will use throughout our Python programming course here.